Hello everyone, welcome on FrogTech Tips. I just want to show you my new box from my lovely subscriber. I just put all together and just quick video how it looks like. It's amazing and I like it. Yeah, it's glass, proper glass. It's RGB now, inside, outside, and also you can change the color. I put this on here underneath because I really don't know where to put this, but I make it like this, and yeah, it's working. That's what I done, and yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe, and soon, once I cut it, because it's long, really long video, I will do all rebuild from my old case to new case. Hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe.